Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing surface oils that cause glare, wash your hands, and place the glasses on a soft towel. Once done, spray lens cleaner or 50/50 distilled water and 70% isopropyl mix lightly. Do not soak. Make sure to use a clean microfiber cloth and wipe from the center outward in gentle circles to avoid scratches. You're eliminating particulate and smudges that scatter light. This first step sets the stage for any deeper anti-reflective adjustments. Once the lenses are clean, inspect the anti-reflective coating for where, if damaged, replacement is required. Do not polish aggressively. Next, apply a lens-specific anti-glare wipe or a light mist of anti-reflective spray. Less is more to avoid streaks. You should work in small sections using circular motion, then follow with vertical strokes to lift remaining residue. Make sure to examine under different angles of light so you can see whether reflections are visibly reduced before moving to final steps. You finish by buffing both sides of each lens with a fresh microfiber cloth, using light pressure to avoid introducing new scratches. Once done, check in your typical lighting. If glare persists, reposition room lights or add a small matte hood to the frame to physically block reflections. Make sure to consider coating damage. If you see peeling, spots, or rainbow effects, stop home treatments and contact your optician for recoat or lens replacement. That solves most reflection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.